Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on the volatility index, TVIX and UVXY here on the daily and weekly time frames. So we've got VIX pulling back significantly with the market hitting all-time highs and losing some key support here. We're at the lowest prices we've seen in the past 3 months, and that level is 1214 support. We did set a higher low. A couple little signs of some bullish candlesticks, but you can see we had bullish reversal candlesticks earlier in the week that saw no follow-through. So the weekly time frame, bearish. We're looking at this $12 psychological support that held back in the summer of 2015, and that's where we look to be headed as we are hitting, as I said, the lowest price in the past year pretty much that we've seen. I guess we'll say the past 10 months to be more accurate, but losing all moving average support was the big red flag. They're now all resistances on the daily and the weekly time frame. The bears are in absolute full control as there's very little fear in the market when it's hitting all-time highs. So you look at names like TVIX and UVXY, and a lot of people are losing a lot of money trying to play these names bullish. You say, oh, it's oversold, it's got to bounce at some point, look how much it's down. That's really not the right mindset you want to have. It is not only do you have time decay working against you, but you have the markets working against you. So these names are absolutely fine for day trading. If you're comfortable day trading, you got a nice setup you like, by all means go for it, but swinging these names or playing them for anything more than a week, that is just asking to lose money in my opinion, and I can say that because of the overall downtrend. So we had a long upper wick. That is the pattern here. Look at any bullish day we've had in the past 3 weeks. Long upper wick of profit taking, close near the low of the day. So that's a pattern. This is a bullish reversal, inverted hammer at the bottom of a downtrend. Not my favorite bullish reversal candlestick, not the strongest, and I would never be making a play on it like a name like TVIX. But there was definitely some bullish trading opportunity on Friday in this name. The low was 149, the high was 160. So we're going to see a reverse split in TVIX soon, and that is why TVIX has been able to maintain as a trading instrument. So let's look back at the past 4 years. These are reverse splits. TVIX price was up in the $4,000 range back in 2012, and you might say, how is that possible? Well, that's because the reverse splits are factored in, and it's going to happen again, and it's going to happen for eternity. I have this vision of these big fat cats in their suits behind the scenes somewhere talking about, oh, let's make this TVIX indicator, this fear index, and we'll know that with time decay, it's just going to go down inevitably forever, and we'll just short it and make a ton of money while people try and play it bullish. And you can look at this last 4-year chart, and it is absolutely straight up bear. There is very little opportunity for the bulls. We look at UVXY, and it's pretty much essentially the same chart, just a little bit different. It's going to need a reverse split soon as well. We're down at $6 here. Same upper wick of profit taking. Look at the last 4 days. Those upper wicks where any bullish move just gets squashed. We look at the weekly time frame. Same thing. Bears in full control. We did play a nice bounce here back in June, but that was very short-lived for 3 weeks, and then the bears absolutely dumped again. So there's a lot of people making a lot of money in these names bearish, and there are very few people making money in these names bullish. So that is the main point I want to get across here. Certainly get lots of questions, and it's understandable why people want to play these names because the price is down at $6 and down at $150, and that seems attractive to someone who, say, maybe only has $5,000 in their account or whatever it may be, low capital, but definitely not a reason, and it's how inexperienced traders, new traders with low capital and a low portfolio lose money by trying to play these kind of names and by penny stocks as well. That's a whole nother story. Don't get me started on that. But there are opportunities to make money in this market with low capital. Options is one of them. I've been trading with low capital on options, $1,000 to $1,500 a trade. And the past 2 weeks, the gains have been really nice. And I've been sharing my trades with members just so I can prove that, you know, with a couple $1,000, you can make nice trades. An example on Friday, PCLN, $1,000 option trade made 38% in 25 minutes. So a nice $380 day on that one trade using $1,000. So the opportunity is out there. You don't have to be subject to playing these low cap, low price tickers that are inevitably heading to zero for perpetual eternity. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in the near future. Have a great weekend.